Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with a little bit more 80% vault speed Demogorgon. Why not? Why not? Should I? I'll place one up here. Oh, hello, hello, hello. Oh! Oh my god, I got glitched on that box. Nice. Thought I was gonna miss that one. Yep, I guess he expected me to wait. I think they have like 2 flashlights, so I gotta be careful of that. Right in the middle is probably the smartest, right? It's gonna suck if they finish it. Nope, not quite, not quite. I want to hit this with Eruption. It's the most aggressive portal ever. Hello! There we go. No clue why you were there. Can't pick her up. Okay, there we go. Oh my god. I clicked it like 8 times. There we go. Put that there. Hit that with Eruption. And we'll go there. We'll just go there. Hello! I probably should have been able to hit that. Ooh. Okay. Okay, scratch marks. The Kate or the V? That's what I want. That's not who I want. I should get rid of this pallet. Oh, what pallet did he drop in? Nice. I didn't think I'd hit that. I think that loop's kind of like perfect for a demo. Okay, well, I guess I know what gen to go to now. Fuck. Man, I am losing track of them. Okay, okay. Oh! Oh my god, they're both here. She does have a pallet. Ah, damn. Oh yeah, I see where the Kate's going to. Nice. Nice, she gave me a hit for free. That's really awesome. Okay. I don't think he knew the pallet was gone. Okay. Why would you want my attention, B? You also have a hook. I don't get what her strategy was there. Maybe she thought I already committed to the dash towards him and thought I'd miss. I don't know. That was a really goofy move. We'll apply Eruption to it, even though it doesn't have a lot of progress. She's the last person I want to chase. I might as well just go for this girl. Here we go. Flashlight save? Nope. I did not want to chase Zero Hook with Kayla. Portal right there. That's a lot of progress. It has no progress. I have bad ears. Maybe the middle one or the library one? Ooh. Oh, it's brutal. What's game plan? I think he's the only one pushing on that gen, and I really want to find the Kate, because that would kind of be game over. I think I heard her drop down. Oh no. Fuck me. Just check that gen too. I think there's 2 high progress gens right now. Oh, hello. Why'd you run here? Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It didn't go through. It didn't go through. Forgot about my BAM though. Yeah, that's practically nothing. All my gens are roughly close together. Move my keyboard a little bit. There we go. Oh. Yeah, I'm just gonna go for him. He took the hit. Doesn't have, it's not obsession, so he might not have DS. Balance landing, yeah. That really sucks. There we go. They might pop the last gem, but that's fine. Yeah, I didn't trust that there wasn't a flashbang. Oh, hello, hello. Maybe I should have been chasing you the whole time. I was like 100% this next gen's gonna pop before I get my X down, but that's fine. Guess not. Aw. She found it? She did not find it. She dropped down there, though. That's so weird. Wait, I swear, that's where her scratch marks were. Huh, give me a hug. Come on, give me a hug. Where my hug at? Oh my god, scratch marks. Oh my god, they're up there. Okay, I keep seeing scratch marks and no person. Okay, there she is. Where my hug at? Oh shit, okay. What? Yeah, where my hug at? Okay, if you don't start opening the exit gate in like 5 seconds, like you're gonna die. Oh my god, ever since map offerings got nerfed, that achievement where you open the exit gate 20 times on RPG and escape has to be miserable. I'm so glad I got that achievement like a month before they nerfed them. Whoa! All right. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.